Do you think I'm staring at the spot we're supposed to be staring at?
Today on JiffyWiz, we're going to open our first Wizarding World loot. What's it called? Loot crate.
God.
And I have a special guest.
What's up?
Stay tuned. Oh, I get it.
Another what?
I gave him one. I'm looking at the camera too. You gotta look at the.
I'm not
lens.
looking at the lens. I'm looking at that.
I'm looking at that. I don't know why.
Stop.
Okay. Welcome to JiffyWiz, where we make magic. My name is Ian.
You need to do it because I'm like.
Today on JiffyWiz, we're gonna open our first loot crate from Wizarding World. You just fart. Hey, Abby.
Abby.
Abby, can you not squeeze your toy right now?
Abby.
Welcome to JiffyWiz, where we make magic. My name is Andy Sharp, and next to me is a special guest. Introduce yourself.
Yeah. No. No. You say my name.
I say your name? Okay.
Yeah, and I'm like, hey.
All right. Should I start over?
What should my name be?
But Billy is your actual name. Man. Ready?
Yeah.
Welcome to JiffyWiz, where we make magic. My name is Andy Sharp, and next to me, we have a special guest. Billy.
Hey there.
Hey there. Billy's going to be helping me open.
No.
We're going to use this one.
Oh, God. Not the hey there. Let's just skip and introduce me again.
Why don't you just say, hey? Why don't you say Harry Potter spell? Say Harry Potter spell.
No.
Hello, Hamor.
No, that's dumb.
Okay. Welcome to JiffyWiz, where we make magic. My name is Andy Sharp, and today I have a special guest. This is Billy.
Hey.
Billy is going to help me unbox our very first loot crate from, we got the Wizarding World one. This one, I believe, is transportation themed because it's got the platform 9 3/4 emblem on it. It's our very first one. There's lots of different folks on the internet that open loot crates, and they do a really great job. Cherry is one of them I know that does a really good job. You know Cherry?
No.
You know Cherry?
Sorry.
She's really good at it. We're going to suck at it, but we're going to open this up, and maybe we'll do something fun, and each item that we get we'll immediately use or something like that. If you haven't already, think about subscribing to this channel. Hit that little bell if you want reminders. We do new videos every single Monday.
Ding.
Are you ready?
You want to open it towards the camera?
Well, yeah. No, I'm going to do this.
Dangerous.
Because they don't know what's inside of it, so it's going to be like a surprise. So I'm going to open it, and then we're going to be like, the first item. Yeah. Okay.
Or.
Oh, what? We're going to...
Good.
Okay. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. Are you excited that there's 2 more boxes coming? So we'll have to do 2 more videos together.
Oh, my God.
So I am a Gryffindor, so I got the Gryffindor box in size large. Some large. The first thing we have is a t-shirt.
Oh, wow.
And it looks like it is, see, it says on the front, Ministry of Magic Visitor. This permanent must be displayed at all times. Visitor number. On the back, it's got an emblem. I don't know if this is like the Visitor Pass emblem to the Ministry of Magic. The first item is a Ministry of Magic t-shirt. And because our loot crate, we immediately use the products in the loot crate, I am going to put it on right now. Ah!
Oh, look at that.
How does it look?
Magic.
How does it look?
Well, it's wrinkly.
Okay.
Yeah, other than that.
You pick the next item out.
Oh. I'm bringing it out.
Okay.
It's your channel. You talk.
All right. Ooh, what is it, Billy? Shh, can't swear. All right, what is it?
It's Luna's glasses.
Luna's?
Yeah.
What are they called?
Kaleidoscopes. What are they?
Spectroscopes.
Spectroscopes?
Spectroscopes.
Spectroscopes.
Yes. Oh, it's like a Luna Lovegood spectroscope sleep mask. Ooh. Can you see through it?
Not at all.
So the second item is a sleep mask that looks like Luna's spectroscopes. Spectroscopes? I don't even know if that's what it's called. And because we're going to immediately use all the products,
I'm going to go take a nap.
I'm going to go take a nap.
Scar hurts.
Cho-chang.
Oh, Cho.
You can take those off now. The next item we're going to take out is a travel sticker set from. It looks like it's Crimes of Grindelwald. I remember this theme is like travel, so we've got like your travel sleep masks that you can wear when you're riding on the Hogwarts Express. We got some travel sticker set. I'm not quite sure what that means. Travel sticker set.
Like backpacks.
I don't know. No, they're just stickers. Ooh, they're
to
cool.
go on like
Here,
your backpack.
hold on some of them. Oh yeah, you could put them on your luggage.
Yeah.
Here's one that is looks like it's a picture of the castle.
Yeah, that one's in French.
This one's Thestral. Travel stickers. I guess we're gonna have to use them immediately. How are we gonna use them immediately? Stickers. Oh, so stylish. Ready for the train. You pick it, get the next time.
And do I have to talk about it too?
No, I'll talk about it.
Good. Again, it's your channel. I'll get the big one.
The next item is, well, let's open it up. Let's see if we can guess what it is before we look at the tag. Do you see what it was?
You took it away from me too quickly.
Ooh, okay, so first thing, it's some sort of like satchel that you can take. And it velcros to itself, so it's self-contained.
Looks like fire.
It does. What do you think it is?
A cape. No, it's a cape.
It's not a cape.
Oh, it's a throw blanket.
Throw blanket?
Yeah.
Why would it be like travel? Like.
Because if you get chilly, you can throw it over you. Hence, throw blanket.
All right, Billy thinks it's. Oh, what is it though? Oh, it's a Gryffindor lion. All right, I'm gonna hold it up so you can see what it is.
Right.
All right, so it's a large
Hold up a little bit more.
blanket that folds in itself. What is it actually? Read that sign. Let's see what it says it is.
Picnic travel mat.
It's a picnic travel mat. Like a picnic blanket. Like you go to a concert, you can roll out your Gryffindor travel mat.
Or if you get chilly, you can use it as a throw
Or
blanket.
it could be a throw blanket. It's a cape. It's a cape.
It's a cape.
The last item in the loot crate.
No, what you got?
No, that's just what everything is.
Oh, that's boring.
Think. Okay. There's some little thing in this thing.
It's a pin.
Some sort of pen.
Ooh.
It
Reveal.
is. Oh, I can't see it, so I don't know what it is. Ooh! It's a Thestral pen. Ooh, it's very detailed. This might be my favorite thing.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
It's a Thestral, and actually, like the wing part of it's like, I don't know, like glass or it's like wavy enamel.
Some enamel.
Yeah, that's very cool. All right, we gotta use this meat. I guess we can just put it on. Why don't we just put it on you? Here, hold still.
Don't.
Would you like wear that to work?
No.
All right, we have successfully utilized every object. And the last thing in this box is some sort of, what do you call this?
Like a guide.
The guide, yeah. some sort of guide to what's in the box. If you were a Gryffindor, you got the lion. If you were a Hufflepuff or a Ravenclaw or a Slytherin, you got a similar logo, animal logoed travel mat. Everybody got the test shell, spectroscopes, and the stickers. All right, that was our the Loot Crate unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed us using it. Here, why don't you use these again and put this on. Big thanks to Billy here for joining me on this unboxing video. He's being a very good Vanna White for me. What's up with that?
I can't see like this. I can't see what you're doing.
It's very provocative.
Some may like it.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm at JiffyWiz. I also have a Etsy store with Harry Potter inspired art for sale. Check that out in the description below. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe right over there in that green dot. We do new videos every single Monday. I hope to see you guys back here. Mischief managed.